everything for this one. Change my matte purple. Beautiful. It's kind of pink down here. It's kind of purple down here.
The Galaxy Buds Plus. Apparently, I took a little screenshot of it with my phone. There's only like 5,000 of these posters available when you pre-ordered it, so... But there are 2 posters in here, which I will show you on a screenshot somewhere, maybe like right there. Okay, anyhow, I like to keep them in the packaging. Maybe I'll keep them because they're limited edition, and maybe I will frame them and put them on the wall. But anyhow, let's get into these boxes. Let's start with the buds first. Why not? I don't even want to open up the box. Is so nice. I'm not even gonna mess with the BTS sticker on the top. We're gonna open these from the bottom. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, the BTS seal. Open nicely. Oh, my paper ripped. See that? Beautiful box. This is nice as heck. You know what? Let me get some better light out. My BTS tape ripped the top of my box. Unfortunate. I wanted to keep it absolutely perfect and mint condition. That's what I always do when I open stuff. Let's check out our box here. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Push down. Alright, where it says buds, push down with your pointer finger, if you will. So, got an insert. It's in Korean. Can't read Korean yet. Alright, so this is how to use the buds, I'm assuming. Okay, so got our instructions here. Alright, the package contents. We got the left and right earbud, charging case, the wingtip, 3 sets, small, medium, and large ears. Ear tips, 3 sets. USB cable, quick start guide. Then it just shows you, you know, the stuff that you always throw away when you open a product. I don't even know why I'm spending so much time on that. Let's yeet.
6.5 hours later.
The case of the pod. I don't know what I'm doing. How? I need an adult. Of course. Yo. Every video I watched did not. Oof. Yo, it didn't do these justice at all. Son. Son. What? There's a BTS logo on it. Ooh la la. Okay, there's a charging port on here. Right there. Oh, there's a little heart. Don't know if you can see that. It probably should be. Both of these are, I think, in 4K. Oh, you see? Cracked it open and the little light came on. Awesome. Yo. Let's take a look at them. Okay, so it's like a little charging bubble for BTS. This is gonna be probably kind of hard to see, but I'll try my best. Here, I'll get up in the camera for this one. So, BTS logo and heart logo. Sorry about my crusty fingers. I've been dancing all day. Damn TikTok. Whoa. Check that out. Wow. Yeah, very nice. So now you got a really good look at those. I'm just gonna bloop. Oh, when you drop them back and they start charging? Listen, y'all. I'm a hardcore Apple user, but this one right here, I mean, listen. I already read that you can use these with your iPhone and Bluetooth. So we've got a nice little case. Woo! Wasn't that adorbs? Look at that. Oh my. And Smart Buds cover. In the front we got a BTS logo. Hearts. I purple you. Very cool. Made in Korea. Copyright Big Hit Entertainment. And Big hit struck gold with them. With them and TXT, for that matter. If you like TXT. I do. These are just all of your basic, you know, like the curved ear plugs, buds, whatever I was calling them earlier. And the charging cable, USB. I don't need to get all that out. Sorry you seeing me work so hard for this. I just don't want to mess anything. I want to keep this pristine. These little strips here, they peel up, and then boom, you got your case, and then it'll stick to it. And now you can hang your buds from a nice piece of twine or rope, whatever you use. I don't know. This is freaking awesome. I believe in your galaxy. Oh, those are nice. Woo! Hey now, look at that. The holographic back. Big Hit Entertainment stamp there at the bottom. I won't even look, I'll just let y'all look. And hopefully my top camera can get this. These are a lot smaller than I thought they'd be, but nonetheless, these are pretty fresh. I'm telling you, yo, right now, after like holding these in my hand, like the internet does no justice on how these actually look in real life. Put them back in. Bloop. Bloop. One more time. One more again. I never buy really expensive stuff except for like this computer. But this is fire.